Yes, this is Sara Tylosky. I'm the CEO of Pharmacom Global. We are a strategic partner in clinical research, primarily focused in Latin America. We do work in the US as well, but our main goal is to bring more rare disease clinical trials in Latin America. So our journey has been that I have family members who had died not from rare conditions, from bacterial meningitis. And it was a big motivator for me to do something about it. And so about 15 years ago, we started as a small consulting company with a nimble group out of Latin America to help bring new vaccines to the market. And then that has also led to bring also rare disease projects to the market as well. The rare disease landscape has changed significantly in the last maybe 10 years. Specifically in Latin America, we've helped bring 3 products to the market just in the last 5 years because there's 50 million undiagnosed people who live in Latin America. When I say Latin America, I'm talking Mexico down to Argentina, Costa Rica, Brazil, all those countries. And because of that need, there's a large need for rare disease conditions to be treated in the space. The largest challenge to support rare disease patients globally is definitely market access. We all know that the United States and Europe are the big funders of both clinical research as well as having the ability to pay for these rather expensive but important treatments. Whereas if you look at spaces, other parts of the world, like in my case, Latin America, India, those more emerging markets, Africa for sure, patients don't have that access. And so through clinical research, that's one way with a compassionate use program, post-clinical trial, and we just need to come together more with the market access and with various governments to make that happen. Okay, I'm looking forward this year in the Bridging Rare Summit to really discuss with both biotechs that see the need and see an opportunity to be in more emerging markets, as well as meeting all the wonderful people that are both here as consultants and companies. And of course, I like to give a plug to Harsha, who's just a very, very special person that has put this all together. Well, we are already collaborating with Harsha on many fronts, and I envision that we need to loop in Latin America, which is right next door to the United States, to bring more clinical research for rare disease patients in the region.